but overall, it's worth it.
I did read that you're supposed to be generous with it.
Okay, so I'm using this paint. It's from Walmart for $2.67, and using this little brush. Put it on there and wipe it right off. It'll stick right to the ground and look. It'll come right off your towel effortlessly. How good does that look? Even if you get more paint on there, look, wipe it right off. And if it, for whatever reason, dries like this, you can just take a razor and scrape it off. If not, just take a damp cloth. Look at that, it'll come right off as well. Or even a magic eraser. So whatever you have on hand, it would all come off. Okay, granted, this is a temporary process, but overall, it's worth it. As you can see, like here, it's time to be cleaned and then go through and do a little bit of touch up. Just keep the little inexpensive paint for $3 and touch up as you need it. Okay, somebody asked, did we do our bathroom? I'm here in the bathroom now, and yes, it has no effect on this white grout. I just wanted to show you this little spot I didn't do so I can show you what I mean when it had spots. You see those spots will not come off. I have no idea what that is. Spot is what I mean. That's why I decided to go ahead and paint. These are renter-friendly, inexpensive ways to do upgrades to your home. It's just changing out the light switch. Whatever your vibe, whatever your jam. So I have that here, and then let me show you. But over here, this one is also like the chrome. But here in our bedroom, I chose to go with this brass looking color. It also like matches here in our bedroom with this little picture, this like mirrored frame. It has a little bit of bronze in it, so I thought it was a neat little idea. And then also we have a bronze fan here. So okay, and here in my closet I have this like mirrored gold one. I think it's so pretty. Okay, and here in the primary bathroom I went with mirrored just because we have this large mirrored here. So this was the only option that we had for our towels. So this was the only option that was provided here, and that was just not going to be enough. And it was this solution. Love that. And then added these little lights just hanging on this little, what is this, trim. I just have them pinned up over the trim, running down just like that. I'm about to paint my door black. And of course, we only have this window here and then the sliding doors for.
The candle, light this.
Sure thing. Simply switching out your rug can be an inexpensive way to upgrade. Hey, you guys, so some